Archiving your Microsoft Dynamics GP historical data just got easier. Hello everyone, and thank you for watching today's video where I'm going to be showing you a newer feature that we've added to our company data archive module called the CDA Scheduler. Now for those of you who are not familiar with company data archive, this is a module from Microsoft Dynamics GP that allows you to move your historical GP data from a production company to an archive company. Since the product's inception, users have had to manually set up their archives where they specify an archive date or a historical cutoff date, and then pick and choose the core GP modules that they want to transfer to their archive company and then remove data out of production. Now, many of our users today still prefer to go the manual route when it comes to their archiving sessions, but for those of you who want to save even more downtime when it comes to planning these archives, we've created a feature called the Company Data Archive Scheduler. Taking a look here at the Company Data Archive Scheduler, you can see it's kind of a mini or condensed version of the archiving window itself. We still have the ability here to set a fixed cutoff date, and users also have the ability here to set a rolling cutoff date. So if there's a specific amount of data you always want kept in your production company, you can set that date up there. You have the ability here to use a document date or GL posting date when it comes to archiving, as well as print a detailed report. And just like the manual process when it comes to archiving, we are still picking and choosing which modules we want to transfer and remove. The difference here is we're setting these archives up in advance. You can see below we have a Sunday through Saturday schedule that allows you to get very specific when it comes to scheduling those archives. You could set up a different time each individual day if you wanted to, or you could have that specific time continued throughout the week and then change it on the weekend as well. Again, there's a lot of flexibility when it comes to scheduling your archives. But instead of having to manually start and stop that archive like you've had to do in previous versions of CDA, you now have the ability to set these up in advance. All you need to do here is queue up your archive, and it's going to start and stop based off the times that you've scheduled below. We found that this scheduler feature here is very beneficial to customers who don't have a lot of downtime when it comes to Dynamics GP. For example, we have a customer who is a 24/7 business, and the only time they can run an archive is from midnight to 4 a.m. Obviously, nobody wants to wait around to manually start an archive at midnight, let alone be up at 4 a.m. to manually stop that process. So again, very beneficial to those customers who don't have a lot of downtime for archiving, but we recommend that all of our customers are taking advantage of this. Even if you have the ability to pick away at archives for 2 hours Monday through Friday, that time is going to add up very quickly. If you enjoyed this content here today, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube page. We would greatly appreciate that. And let us know in the comments below, what other features and content do you want to see from Professional Advantage?